First off, welcome to Still Works and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. So what we got going on today? Well, today's a big announcement. And the big announcement is tomorrow, starting on Monday, all the way through till next Sunday. It is Pumpkin Plooza week. All right. So, you might ask, what in the hell is Pumpkin Plooza? Well, Pumpkin Plooza, it's a week of pumpkin. And I know some people either love pumpkin or some people hate it. But I got to tell you that I'm one of the ones that love it, and there's a lot of people out there that do. All right, so like I said, it's a whole week of pumpkin starting on Monday. And we'll have new recipes all the way till next Saturday. And then next Sunday, we have a tasting of everything that we've done. That ought to be a lot of fun, especially for us, right? Okay. You might ask, all right, when is Pumpkin Plooza? Okay, so every night, 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time is, we'll put out a new video every day of that week, all right? So I hope you come. It's been a lot of work and a lot of enjoyment doing it. All right, so make sure you set your reminders. If you haven't got a chance, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on Pumpkin Plooza. And you sure don't want to miss out. All right, so this is Pumpkin Plooza 2025. It ought to be pretty special. Got a lot of pumpkin coming your way. Okay, so I guess that's the last thing I got to say. So I will see you tomorrow at 7 Eastern Standard Time. Thanks for coming.